Hello, and this is Bucks Coins, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Steve. I'm back on an all-out yesterday's thingy, another all-out yesterday's video, because this is another £5 coin that was outstanding from my collection. It shows the UK logo again for the Olympics. Where am I? There I am. So this is the UK logo for the Olympics. We have there a hologram showing the UK logo for the Olympics, and this is a enveloped £5 coin. On the front you have Tower Bridge, you have the gherkin, and you have runner with a prosthetic leg, and you have a athlete in a wheelchair. These images should give you an idea about what this coin is all about. This coin is the official Paralympic £5 coin celebrating London 2012. It is the only specific coin that was minted for the Paralympics. The 3 or 4 coins that show Paralympic sports in the 50p's weren't actually just single solo releases as such. They were part of the 29 coin set. This one was minted to celebrate the Paralympic as an individual event, rather than the 3 or 4 50p's produced were part of the whole Olympic experience, rather than just specifically being for the Paralympics. Now, this inside leaf shows a runner with a prosthetic hook for foot. Now, the South African runner who won a lot of Olympic titles before he was jailed for murder was used to run with his prosthetic foot like this. This £5 coin is the standard £5 coin of that time. It's got the IB portrait, the 4th portrait of the Queen. You've got the specifications there, and if you want to read those specifications, please pause the video and do so. The next part of this is this second part here. A nation celebrates, and there is some information there. If you would like to read it, would you please pause and do so at your own pace. The following page is "See you in London," and again, if you want to read about this, please pause the video and read it. And it goes on to the final page of the inside cover, and again, if you wish to read it, please pause it and read at your own time. The final part of the coin is about the designer, who is Pippa Sanderson, and it shows all of the different things. Now, it's a bit about her way that she looks at the Paralympics. Now, I have done a little bit of reading about this coin. Perhaps I can bring you in just a little bit to help you. Right, over here in this quadrant, which is the top left as you're looking, it's got London 2012, and then the target looks like an archery target. In the bottom quadrant here, on the bottom left, you have the Paralympic Games logo, that one there. In the bottom left quadrant, you have part of the face of the clock of Big Ben. And the last part, which is in the top right hand quadrant as you're looking at the coin, is to do with wheels, spiked wheels, such as cycling and wheelchairs. So that's the design in a nutshell. It was based around showing off London, the Special Olympic Paralympic logo, and 2 items across the top 2 quadrants that are to do specifically with Paralympics. You've got the archery, and you've also got the wheeled sports, which could be, as I say, could be cyclings, and it could be wheelchair participating sports. So that's the coin. What did you think of this one as a specific coin just for the Paralympics? Or do you think that the Paralympics was represented well enough within the 50p range? I'm personally glad that it had its own specific £5 coin. Not only is it an extra coin to collect, but it showed the special spirit of the Paralympic movement. And I think it is special enough to deserve its own specific coin. So, what did you think of this? Do you like it, or do you think it shouldn't exist? Write it down in the comments below. This one is I'm now completed the 4 countdown £5 and the Paralympic £5 from London 2012 now. I will be going on in future to look at other £5 coins that are not yet released to you. Some of them, most of them, I think on the £5 that I have outstanding are to do with the royalty. So you've got that to look forward to. In the meantime, if you've enjoyed this particular video, please really give me the thumbs up. It doesn't cost you a couple of seconds of your time, and it helps me out no end with the algorithm. The algorithm consisting of the likes and the views and the subscriptions that you've got. As you get better results with the algorithm, you'll put in front of newer people that perhaps haven't seen your stuff before. And that hopefully will help me then grow the channel. I have been looking at the statistics of the channel just recently, and I was quite amused to find out that there are about 30% of the people who view the channel regularly that aren't actually subscribed. Come on guys, what are you waiting for? Help me get to 100. I would love to be able to get there, do the next giveaway, and also have my stuff put in front of new people. I have no bones about it. I want to grow it. I'd love to grow the channel. However, in the meantime, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can find the coins that you want for the price that you want to pay. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will not be too long in the distant future, ta-ra for me. Bye bye now. Bye bye.